Unraveling Idioms, make flies of. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a rather curious phrase, make flies of. If you're scratching your head wondering what insects have to do with language, you're not alone. Let's dive in and demystify this idiom together. The phrase, make flies of, isn't a standard idiom in English, and you might not find it in everyday conversation or your typical English textbook. However, when we dissect the phrase, it seems to suggest trivializing something or perhaps making something seem insignificant. The visual here is key. Flies are small and often seen as nuisances, so to make flies of something might imply reducing it to a mere annoyance. Since make flies of isn't a common expression, its usage is quite rare and possibly poetic. If you were to use it, you'd be in the realm of creative language, painting a picture with words. For example, the magician's performance was so magnificent, it made flies of all other shows I've seen. This means the magician's show made all others seem insignificant in comparison. Now, let's consider other idioms that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like, make light of, or belittle, are more commonplace and carry the connotation of treating something as less important. These are the phrases you're more likely to hear and can use confidently in various situations. Let's practice with some examples. You shouldn't make flies of the concerns people have. They are valid and should be addressed. The new policy made flies of all our efforts to improve the system. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has illuminated the quirky corners of the English language. Remember, idioms like make flies of can add color to our language, even if they're not commonly used. Keep learning, keep exploring, and don't let any phrase make flies of your language learning journey. See you next time.